So I went to shut the garage door and there's still a fucking bird in here. I gotta open the garage door again, try to get him out. Leave, bird. No. No. What? It's right there. Quit hitting. Oh, okay. Animals are dumb. He did this to himself. Get out, bird. Whoa. Where's the bird? Here is the bird seed. I have an idea. I think this is the bird seed. I don't know. Come get some. This is not going to work. Leave. Why aren't you leaving? Scram. So what I don't want to do is to shut the garage door and he's trapped in here forever. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here, you piece of shit. Jeez. Scram! I threw a piece of seed at him. Oh, wait. This might be the bird seed. Hey, dumbass. Shit. What am I supposed to do? I'm not gonna risk it. Alright, I'm scared that he's gonna start attacking me. I'm gonna call you Brian. I'm gonna call him Brian. This cannot be the bird seed. This cannot. Is it? No. I have no idea what's happening. Brian, listen to me. I gave you a chance to leave, but you screwed it up. Scram. Oh, good for him. He didn't flinch this time. Okay, Brian, listen to me. Brian, listen. Calm down. I need you to calm down, Brian. The exit's right there, Brian. You're making this so much harder than it has to be. I need to shut the door because it's night. Brian, I want to go to bed, please. I've given up. Fucking idiot, bro.
What?
Brian, this is my sister. She's here to help us.
What?
Or help you get out. Brian! I think he's asleep.
Thank you.
What? Oh,
He's reconnecting at the moment.
Oh, okay. I want him to leave.
No, I'll get him on something, I'll grab him, you open the door, and then we let him out.
Andrew isn't back yet.
Okay, well, we'll hear him screaming.
What is this in here, by the way?
That's for Pancake.
Oh. Hello?
Oh,
hello there. Wait, is this Jackson?
Yes.
Jackson.
We are currently. Hi.
Yeah, you just kind of threw me in.
Brian!
Oh, Brian. Jackson, that's why you be quiet.
He just sounds angry.
Here, Brian. I have a broom.
Brian.
A bird.
It's a bird trapped in our garage. Do you want me to get the shotgun?
No! Don't shoot, Brian. You'll miss anyway. Anyways.
Find the easiest option.
Amber.
Thank you!
Don't we have a net in the garage?
Net?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is she trying to suggest the idea of pouring and throwing a net on it?
Yes!
Apparently so. Come on, Brian.
But if you
Whoa!
Jackson, don't scream Brian anymore or touch the door. I'm
Why?
actually locking you there, so you can't open the door.
That was not necessary. Shit. Come on, Brian. You need your rest. Good, Brian. So, despite being locked in a garage, how's your day going? I just want you out of my garage. I asked you nicely. No, I didn't. But I asked you nonetheless, and you're still here. Now we're gonna force you into a net. How does that feel, Brian? Probably not good. I've given up. I don't know. Taylor, may I leave now? Unlock the door! Ooh, chicken. Brian, I'm just telling you right now, this isn't personal. Maybe it's a little personal. That's not going to work.
This is so stupid.
Whoa. It's not going to work, Taylor.
No, I will get
If it does, you're just going to get it tangled up in the net.
Yeah, but...
And then he can't get out of the net, so it's going to be like 10 times as worse as if he's stuck in here.
I'm gonna do more damage to it than anything. Jackson, convince her.
Thank you.
I didn't even hear that.
Me neither.
Dude, it's gonna like break its wing, and you're gonna have to like fix it because she's gonna be crying in the corner.
Okay.
Just prepare yourself. Taylor, you are just a failure.
Taylor, when's going to be the time you give up?
I can be out here all night.
What if we bring her? No, my throat not wide enough for that. I'm gonna go back inside. You have fun with this.
I will.
Revenge! 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 I just locked the door, revenge!
I don't care.
But what if I do this?
Can you bring a ladder out here?
Ladder?
Yeah.
I'm no.
Like the step stool.
Oh, the step stool, alright. Why didn't you just say step stool instead of ladder?
Because I call it a ladder.
Oh my, it's not a fucking ladder. This is my step stool. I've never met my real stool. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Get the fuck out, Brian. I never loved you and I never will. Wait, what if he flies back in?
Come on, Brian. Brian's around. Brian's looking around. There he goes. Don't do it! No!
God damn this bird.
Brian!
Brian.
Egypt! I just got you! Come on! Brian, I literally had you. I took you outside.
I think he just wants to be in the garage. Oh! Damn, Daniel, alright. Release Brian. Take 2. Release him into the wild where he once belongs. And then fucking book it back in here. Hi, Brian.
Wait.
I hate you.
Come over here so you can get a better photo.
Hi,
You
Brian.
good, Brian?
I feel like you hurt him somehow.
It's just he's not trying to fly away. So I think he's good. I probably just scared him. Oh my god, I almost dropped him. I know where I can put him. I need to go in the garage though.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where this went. This is what I first threw at him.
Andrew, I'm gonna hang up so I can take a lot of photos. And then I'll call you back.
So he just had to get some selfies with him. And now Brian's back flying around in the garage. This is what happens when you take selfies.
That's what happens when you have to take pictures and post them on social media.
Brian, you set yourself for that one.
Now set him down on the ground and come back inside.
What do you like?
What? Are you gonna take more pictures with him?
Yes. The fact that he can fly away now.
That sucks. It lasted longer than it should have. Whatever. I'm going to bed now.
Yeah, I'm a mobile phone playing GTA.